include the other PUV drivers, katong TNBS, mga jeepneys.
Right. Before sa schedule, I think it's important to share that we had a total of 15,766 tricycle drivers endorsed by the 10 cities. And of this number, we have paid 94.24% or 14,858. So na lang may variance na 908. Kaning 908 nga wala naka-claim na ay mga reasons, no? Ang uban na sakit, ang uban wala diha at the time of the distribution, dili ni sila magproblema because amo ning itiwas sa ubayan within the week. So be assured that we will do the payout. So since dana ta sa tricycle drivers in the cities, adto na punta sa mga tricycle drivers sa municipalities. So based on the timeline of the DSWD as instructed by Secretary Rex Gatchalian across the country, we will do the payout of the municipalities on April 16. Muna initial date nga magsugod ta. But sa kadako sa atong bayaran, kay 91 kabuok ang LGUs in Region 7, and based sa lista nga na-endorse sa mga mayors, sa ato ang municipalities, moabot ta og almost 20,000. No? To be exact, 19,396 ka mga tricycle drivers in the 91 municipalities. So we will do the payout on April 16, 17, 18. Unya, communicated na nato ni sa LGUs. In fact, we are doing arrangements already on how to make sure that organized yapon atong payout.